Hi, Captain. Say good morning to everybody. All the babes are out here grazing. It's a rainy morning here on the farm. I'm just going to walk you through. We'll do just a quick little farm tour. Captain, did you want to come along? You do? I guess I should let you in. Okay, so this is the Green Acres farm where we live. And we purchased this old house in 2013. And we've been working on it ever since. Siding, pulling out the carpet, redoing the hardwood floors, painting. We still have so much to do, back porch, things like that, new ceilings, but we'll get there. And here's my little pen. It's where my babies all stay after they're weaning. These aren't weaned yet, but I put them in here so they could start grazing today while their mom went out for a walkabout. So we're going to go in here to the barn. Our barn, we close up in the wintertime with this heavy grade greenhouse vinyl, and it all opens up in the spring. And here's some farrowing pens. We have 1, 2, 3 on this side, and we have one mom in there right now. It's been raining so much here. So let's go in. Oh, there's my poop. I've been cleaning up my poop patrol. Hi, Captain. This is the other side of the barn, and again, we have 3 pens. We have all the little doors opening up. 3 pens on this side, individual pens, so we can farrow if we want to. We can house 6 and 1 in the back, 7 at the same time. But we never have that many farrowing because it's just ridiculous. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mama. Hi. That's Bertha. Hi, Bertha. Come here, darling. What you doing? Waddling? Just waddling your days? Aw, big sweetie. So let's step in. This door comes off when we open up the barn. This whole panel here comes off when we open up the barn. And then, of course, just the vinyl comes off of this because it has the panels on the other side of it. And as such, let me show you. Well, not the panels, but it has the 2x3 woven wire. So that's part of the farrowing stall. This is one. And our lights are wired up really good. As soon as these die, we're going to go with the Premier ones. But these still work well, and hubby's got them wired where they can't fall. So that's a good thing. Our little creeps we can move to any stall we want. They were wired in, but I've made them where they're mobile now. And again, there's another stall. And you see the little doors. Each door goes out into its own private paddock. And this is the third stall back here. This is the back of the barn. And right now it's used, it can be a stall, but right now I'm using it for my feed and fans for the summer, and just, all my accessories and bleaches and whatever else I need. My ant poisons, all that stuff. Everything's stored back there. Feed. Another stall. Another stall. Hey, Captain. And there's Captain in the front stall. And then we have fans on each side for summer. When everything's opened up and the flaps are removed, we get great cross ventilation in here. It's just the perfect pig barn. I really like the pig barn. Oh, I guess I should have flipped the lights on so you could see better. There, oh yeah, it's so much better. Sorry about that. Hey, Bertha. Hey, Bertha. So, and there's the little doors again, as you'll see. Each little stall has piggy doors. And, we have the little this one we could put a creep in back there if we need to, and then we have the areas around the edges where the pigs can jump if Mom's laying on them. Moms are pretty good though. Occasionally we'll get a squash one, but not too often. And then the house again. Let's go to the back. I have, this was Olive's pen, my mini. I first owned minis. I used to breed Julianas, is how I started out with the pigs. I wanted something that my grandkids could enjoy when we moved back out into the farm, and horses were too big. And hubby just didn't want to go there with the horses, and the grandkids were so small then that we just chose something smaller for them. Goats I'm really not into, so we went with the mini pigs, and that's how I got started in pigs. And then Googling one day spotted pigs, because I love the spots. I ran across Kunekunes, and they've kind of changed my life. So we use these porta huts. These will be painted cream like the rest of ours, but they come from one of my friends, and I'm very blessed to have them. And then we have my grandkids' pony back here. Yeah, we didn't go with horses, but I don't know if you can see that. It seems a little blurry. We didn't go with horses, but Maylee talked us into a pony, which she's outgrown now, and she does want a horse, and the pony's been handed down to Eli, and it'll probably go to Mary from Eli. So then we have another paddock back here. That little shed that he's in was here when we got here, so we just painted it and made do for him, and it works out wonderful. So the other paddock in the back, and that's really my passion pen there. And then we have the boars over here. Hi, sweeties. Hi, guys. Hi. Oh, it's so muddy. Hi, Tonka. Oh, you guys are so muddy, but oh, hi, Scully. Hi, darling. And then they have their huts, and we can split this off into two, or we can open it up and have one big paddock. So we've got it open right now just so they can graze. And they have their acorns over there in the corner in the fall when they start. And there's my neighbor's farm over there with the horses. They got some nice horses. And so there's some of our turtles. That's my little, it was my little Command Central hut when we first started redoing this place. We brought this first building in, and everything ended up going in that, all of our working stuff. So now, you know, we've built more buildings. We got all the turtles and the crabs, all the swimming pools for the pigs stored behind that building. I'm not using them now. I'm trying to just go natural and use a little wallow that I start, and then they finish it out for me. I have a little feeding area over here, but I've stopped feeding because they're mainly grazing now. They get limited pellets in the summer. That grass will grow back over there, I hope, soon enough. And we need to mow. But with all this rain, you can see I started mowing, and the grass was wet. So I never finished it. But I'll get there. Just not today, because it's wet again. And there's the babies over there. They're probably wondering where their mama is. Are you wanting your mommy? She'll be back shortly. Yeah, she'll be back. Because she's way up there with the herd. Captain, why aren't you up there, buddy? Huh? Why aren't you up there with the herd? So let's walk through the front gate. Move, Captain. Move, darling. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. See what everybody's doing. Let's do a walkabout on this side. So you can see the piggy trails. they've got going. And this is their little oasis over here. This is what I dreamed about, having all this fenced off, and it took us a while to get there, all the front fence so the pigs could enjoy grazing and then have their own private little oasis at the shallow end of the pond. And it's worked out so well. Here's the paddocks on this side. And the little piggy doors. And then we'll walk up on this side of the farm. There's my grapes all coming in. There's some beautiful grapevines here. And were wild. Muscadine. Pigs love them. I might try to make some jelly this year. Unless the pigs eat them all. Okay, so we're up on the other side. And this is another big paddock for them to graze in. And then this is the property that we purchased, that we're working on. So with more fencing, there's always more fencing, but it's a nice piece of property. And look at all that beautiful grass that my pigs cannot get to yet. And we still have some trash over here, but it's been so wet to even try to burn. Maybe this weekend, once all this rain passes by, we can get over here and finish this project. There's not too much left. And that big deck over there, I want to use for my back porch area. I think that's just the right size. Tim says forget it, but I mean, it's all intact, so I'm thinking try it. And there's the last little stack we got to burn. So it's a nice piece, nice spot. And let's go back around here. Let's see if I can walk up here. I hope I'm not making you too dizzy. I guess I should have kept the camera a little steady. I wasn't even thinking about it. We got a lot of wild blackberries. And the pigs love those too. They're way up here grazing. Way. Oh, it's so muddy, and I got on Crocs. My feet's gonna be yucky when I get home. Almost fell. Whoops. That'd be cute. Okay. So they got lots of nice shady spots to get into. And this area is really nice up here for them. And then our windmill, which we use to aerate the pond, and it works out really well. But I don't see any bubbles popping up, and it is spinning, so I need to have Tim look at that. We may need a new line in there. He's been having a little bit of an issue with that because it's been up for a while, and I got a hole in the line or something. I don't know. I don't see bubbles. Anyway, I better tell him. Here comes Mr. Captain. He's my babe. He's a Tataki, Arigiana, and he's the one that does all the farm tricks. His name originally was Moose, and the VA wanted to name him Captain. Sit, Captain, sit. Good pig. Good pig. Yes, you're a great pig. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Can you shake? Shake hoof. Shake hoof. Up. Up. You just want to be patted? Really? I'm trying to show off your beautiful skills and you just fall over? All right. I got you. I got you, buddy. Oh, I got you, babe. Let me clean your yuck. Yeah, okay. Okay, Captain. Good boy. Good boy, yeah. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Okay, well that concludes the tour. I'm going to turn this off and pet my captain. So, talk to you guys later. Stay safe, social distance, wash your hands, and let this all be over soon. Later.